Welcome back everyone, and let's continue the series on Python. So in the last video we discussed about statements. So we made 3 parts, right? So in the first video statements, we discussed only simple statements. In the next video, we discussed how to use statements in operators. And in the last video, we discussed how to use statements in loops. So in this video, we're going to functions. Okay, so let's summarize the functions we have done till now. First is print, for printing something. Then there's type, to tell the type what is it. It is a string. In numerical you can say int, integer, float, complex, bool, and then that sequence you can say list, tuple, set, etc. Then insert function used to insert something. Then del function, deleting something from a dictionary. Then remove also. Yes, remove. So now we'll continue with more functions. So let me erase all this and let us greet each other with a greet function. Greet. Done. Now I'm gonna run. Oh, the name greet is not defined. I think the computer should, when I write greet, it should write in the console, hello, how are you, right? So here it is written greet is not defined. So we'll define the function greet like this. Def greet. Def is a function used for defining another function. Greet, okay. Then colon print hello. Then print how are you. Done. Then we're going to write greet. Now it should work. Yes, it worked. Hello, how are you? So even if I write it multiple times, like I think I can copy it and paste it like this. Here also, here, here, here also, here also, here also, going on. So I'm going to run this command. It will come hello, how are you? No need for defining the function again. Only one time it's required. It will work forever until you delete this statement. Okay, so now let's do some mathematical functions. So first we're going to start with addition. We can add two numbers by add function, but we need to define a function first. So then x comma y, defining the add function, colon, enter, return. Return function is used when I write this or the user write this, it will return x plus y. Okay, enter. Then let's test it, or let us define all the functions. Then okay, so def sub, use of subtraction, then so on, multiplication and division. You can see here I have written multiply. It should be multiply, not multi. Those of you who want to use short form, as I used here, add, sub, div, not here. So let's test it. So let us add some numbers. Let me add 5 and 4. Okay, then adding 5 comma 4. then print a. Naming this variable is important in PyCharm because it has a console. If we simply write it in Python, it would already say Python first version. This is also Python only. Then b is equal to 1 minute. Yes, b is equal to sub 5, 4. Print b. Okay. So then c is equal to, I think, yes, 5 and 4 are fine. 5, 4. Oh, multiply is important. Multiply 5, 4. Then print c. Then d is equal to, I think, let's take, I think 5 and 4 are fine. It will be fine in decimals. 5, 4. Print d. Okay, so now let us run the code. You can see 5 plus 4, 9. 5 minus 4, 1. 5 whole 20. 5 by 4, it's 1.25 only. Yes, I've calculated that myself. I'm saying the truth. I'm not lying. I've calculated myself only. So this is how we define a function. And mathematical function too. Important. Mathematical function is important. And just remember that this variable, this should start with, this all things should start with here. From here only. Not we used if else statement. If, like here in the center of the previous code or statement. So we have done functions, not fully, not. So let me start with another topic, functions. It is for functions only. Add this, yes. So now let me tell you about how to import math function in Python. Import math. We do import math. Math is a function. Okay. Then I think let's first try square rooting a number. 25. Run. Error. Square root is not defined. This time, no need to define square root. We can simply say import math. Done. After that, one thing is important. We should write math dot square root 25, because so that computer can understand that square root function comes in math function only. Then let us run the code. Oh, we have not named any variable. A only. Then run the code. Oh, that is CIE. Oh, okay. I think I should try this. Now it should work. Not again. Let us try this bracket one. And here also a bracket. Done. But will not work. Yes. Now let's run. Oh, print A. We forgot to write print A. Such a silly error. It happens. 5. Then 64, we can try 64. 8. Then doing like this. Even zeros are important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Now let's try this. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Fine. Now let's print A. Run the code. What is this? Such a long number. Shorten it. Fine. Let's run. 10,000. 8 zeros, so 10,000 only. So I'll end this video now only, as this important topic is very long, so I cannot complete this in this video only. And I also don't want that you skip the main part, like such a long video, then let's go to the starting part and then simply go to the end and do like that. Okay, so if you like the video, then please press the like button, and if you have not subscribed the channel yet, so what are you waiting for? So I will see you next time. Then bye bye.